In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a board on monday.com. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is be inside your Monday work management platform. And then what you want to do is go over here. Where's this plus, this blue plus icon? You want to click on it. And then it says new board down here. You want to press new board over here. And then you want to name the board. Let's say this is an example board, okay, and then you want to select the privacy. So if you select main, it's visible to anyone in your account. If it's private, it's for working privately, alone, or with selected team members. And if it's shareable, it's for working privately with guests outside your account. Now, right now, as you can see, it displays over here which you have selected and what it does, okay? I'm going to go with main over here. And then you want to select what you're managing in this board. So in my case, I'm going to select items, but you can choose any one of this you would like to, okay? And then you simply want to press create board. And in a few seconds here, the board will be created. There we go. As you can see, the board is now created, and that's it.